guys, what's up and welcome back to another flourishing tutorial. So in this flourishing tutorial, you're going to be learning this really nice and amazing flourish that I use all the time. It is so easy to do, it's so amazing, and I'm in love with this flourish and I think you guys are going to love it. And let's get started. Alright guys, so here's how you do that flourish. So here's how it's done. So first of all, the only prerequisite that you have to learn is the Z grip and the scissor cut. Once you know both of those, you can do this flourish. So here's how you start off. So first of all, hold it against another grip that looks something like this. Then you break off into the Z formation, which looks something like this. Okay? And once you're in the Z formation, you're going to tilt your right hand down like that until this top packet rests along your pinky, which I'm shaking right now. So once you rest it along your pinky, you are in this formation. Alright. So now once you are here, you're going to take your middle finger and divide this packet that you just rested along your pinky into two halves. Like that. And then take your thumb and place it on this packet, the middle packet. And now as you can see, if you extend everything, this is going to create a snake type formation that looks really cool. So this is the first part of the flourish. And the second part is you take this packet, the topmost packet, and you come back. Okay, so you're gonna spread it and then you come back and you come back and rest this along your thumb. And this thumb and that thumb are going to press this packet and hold them. And you have now a square structure. Alright, so now once you are here, you're going to take your ring finger right over here and you grab this packet. Okay, so just try to follow along and watch this a few times and you will get that down really soon. So it's really easy to do. And then you hold that packet with your ring finger. The reason why you're holding this with your ring finger is because you're going to extend it all the way until it overlaps that packet. So yeah, you have this packet, it's going to come above that packet. So that now you can square this up and now you are left with this hand. And in this hand you can do a scissor cut. Like that. And then take this packet and drop it anywhere you want. So guys, that was the flourish. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.